Is your Excel file getting slower every time you add a pivot table? What if I told you that you can keep your data in one Excel file and your pivot table in a completely different file? Okay, let me show you one of my favorite Excel tricks. Here's the situation. I have one Excel file called sales data, and I want my pivot table to live in a separate Excel file called sales report. Because separating data and reports makes Excel faster, lighter, and much easier to manage. First, we need to make sure the power pivot is turned on. Go to File, then Options, and select Add-ins. At the bottom, where it says Manage, choose COM Add-ins, and click Go. Check Microsoft Power Pivot for Excel. Then click OK. Once enabled, you'll see the Power Pivot tab at the top. Now click Power Pivot, and then click Manage. If your window is blank, that's perfect. We're starting fresh. Inside Power Pivot, go to the Home tab. Click from Other Sources. Scroll down, and select Excel File, then click Next. Click Browse, and select your data file. In my case, Sales Data. Click Open, and make sure use first row as column headers is checked, so Excel reads your column names correctly. Then Next. Here's where Power Pivot gets powerful. Click Preview and Filter. You can remove unnecessary columns. For example, if I don't need region and state, I can uncheck it. You can also apply filters, like loading only specific products. This means you're only importing what you actually need. Once done, click OK, then Finish. Now for the magic. Click Pivot Table inside Power Pivot. Choose New Worksheet, and click OK. Now drag product name to rows, and total sales to values. And just like that, your pivot table is created, pulling data from another Excel file. If your source data file gets updated, all you need to do is refresh the pivot table. No copy-paste, no rebuilding reports. Just refresh, and your pivot table updates instantly. This is a game changer for monthly reports and dashboards. Comment yes if this Excel trick saved you time. Like the video, share it, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for smarter Excel tips.